Hey, happy, beautiful, amazing day. Dr. Bob Rakowski here out of Houston, Texas. I received a question today about fungus. And you know what? There's a lot of it. There is fungus among us, but the question was really about consuming reishi infused beverages while fighting a fungal infection. So, fantastic fungi, a new documentary. I highly recommend it, but this is from cdc.gov. It says there are millions of fungal species, but only a few hundred of them, a very tiny proportion, can actually make people sick. And many of them are profoundly healthy. So here's a picture of Paul Stamets. He wrote the book Fantastic Fungi, created the documentary. And basically, here's what he said, right? There's fungus among us everywhere you step. You likely are stepping on earth that will have mushroom mycelia beneath it. And here's what he said, and the data shows it very clearly. These fantastic fungi can restore the planet's ecosystems, repair our health, and even resurrect our symbiotic or mutually beneficial relationship with nature. He had a TED Talk entitled 6 Ways That Mushrooms Will Save the World. And you know what? These things are antibacterial, antivirus, anti-yeast. They're even antifungal, anti-cancer, profoundly good for human nutrition. And there's also a wealth component to this amazing cash crop. So after some of the 2001 challenges, Paul Stamets was actually hired to see if mushrooms would be good defense against bioterrorism. And he found out exactly that. So if you had any concern about bioterrorism, it might be a really good idea to have these things maybe on hand or in your body on a regular basis. So in 2019, this was a published trend. They said, you know what, people would be making and consuming beverages infused with reishi mushrooms. Reishi is the king of herbs, also known as Ganoderma lucidum and lychee. So I've used this for over 10 years at this point. We have reishi infused shakes that taste like liquid birthday cake. They melt out the pounds, coffee, tea, hot chocolate for kids. They're delicious and they're really good for you too. So now, what about this question? Someone asked me, can I consume these beverages as I'm fighting a fungal infection? And the answer is yes, because Ganoderma actually has an antifungal protein within it that helps your body to eliminate the fungus. It also, another PubMed study shows different types of antifungal properties within Ganoderma. And by the way, what about yeast? Well, yeast are known to create a biofilm, and other types of organisms can do that too. And it makes it very difficult for both the immune system and even nutraceuticals or pharmaceuticals to get after them. But fascinatingly, Ganoderma, also known as reishi, is known to inhibit the biofilm. So I say if there's something in a protective bubble, Ganoderma will dissolve or melt that coat around it and make it easier to get rid of. 430 unique molecules in Ganoderma, 79 are known to be antimicrobial. Some of the studies in PubMed, there's over 2,000 at this point, but it's proven against a number of different types of cancer and some of the worst infective agents on the planet. And it seems to be something to have in your body on a regular basis, to enhance your health. By the way, sometimes people say, well, what if I have allergy or autoimmunity? Well, Ganoderma is a universal immune modulator, and this journal says it can even be used to treat and or prevent autoimmune disease. Every Tuesday, I have a session called Ask the Doctor, where we go over a health topic. You're welcome to join us and ask health questions. And as always, I'm Dr. Bob Rakowski, absolutely knowing that we can all be happy, healthy, and successful.